All right, Lidge, let's go with you first up. What's the vibe like there? Danusha competed this morning. Alia will also be competing as well. You out there with your flags and your pod covers and so on, or no?
Yeah, actually, it was a more somber mood today. I think it's because it's a Sunday, but I was on a video call with my friends, and we were just really happy that she was able to showcase herself. I know she had the injury. We didn't know what was going to happen, but just seeing that she showed such sportswomanship during that time and that she actually started, we love that. So it's Jamaica all the way, same way.
Sandy, just how proud were you in seeing Danusha competing and carrying the flag high?
We're very excited and I feel very proud. She represented very well, and of course it will be a talking point when we go back to work in September for sure, because everyone is looking to see how Jamaica will perform. So it felt really good, very proud.
I know you, like many other Jamaicans, are waiting for track and field, but Alia will also be competing in swimming. Will you be following her and your own expectations?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Go ahead, Sandy, and then Lidge. Go ahead, Sandy. You first, Sandy.
We will be following. We're following every event. I mean, Jamaica is close to us now, so we're following all the events. Of course, we're tuning in for track and field. We're expecting to sweep that 1, 2, 3. All yes, we're anticipating it.
Lidge, quickly chime in.
I just absolutely love that we are so dynamic during all the events. So, of course, we're going to closely watch Alia. She's definitely the apple of our eye in the water, so we're expecting that as well. So, of course, definitely.
I like that, apple of our eye in the water. All right. All right, thank you so very much, Lidge, and thank you, Sandy. And we'll definitely be joining you throughout our coverage here on TVJ.
Thank you so much. Go Jamaica!